All right, what is going on, guys? So today's video is going to be really short. Yesterday I did clean up and maintenance. I hit that 2-week mark. You know, I removed the unit, cleaned it, and all that good stuff. And I was thinking to myself, I was like, let me try this. Let me try to give this light density thing another try. Because you guys know me, I like to just change things up. I like to change from unit to unit, from hairstyle to hairstyle. Because A, it fits my personality, because I just like to change things up. And B, it works to your guys' benefit, because a lot of you ask me, well, what would this hairstyle look like? What would this kind of density, what would medium density or light density look like? What would the Swiss lace versus a poly look like? So I do like to change it up for you guys, and just so you guys can get a good idea of, you know, what different densities look like, different hairstyles, different base types like poly, Swiss lace, etc. So don't think that there's one definitive unit that rules above them all. I just like to change things up. That's what I love. I talked about it before in other videos. That's what I love about a hair system. You can change your hair on the fly and go. You can change your density. You can change your hairline on the fly. You're not at the mercy of your own genetics, and I've talked about that in the past, and I like to display that for you in my videos, guys, that you can really just switch on the fly and have so much versatility when it comes to hair systems. I wanted to make another video update for you guys. I want to show you what you can expect. Now, the base model, this is the Air model from Lord Hair. Again, promo code still stands as usual, guys. You know the spiel by now. Use promo code PANTHERTRAIN, all capital letters. It will be down in the comments and description below. Get you $20 off any unit you buy from Lord Hair, so just check that out below. Anyway, guys, this is the Air model. This is a light density unit from them. And one thing I'll say, I think I'm starting to get sold on the light density. I know a lot of you will be proud, because a lot of you have been saying, Chris, you got to go lighter density. You got to go light density. And I'm filming in a little bit different location. I'll explain why. Because the sun is beaming down perfectly. As you can see when I step here, and I'm about to get really super up close to the camera with my hairline right under the direct sunlight. Because any tell of a good hair system is, does it pass the sun test? Any hair system can look great in controlled artificial lighting indoors, but how does it look under the sun outside in the elements? We're about to find out. Enough talking, I'll just let it speak for itself. Get it from the top as well. There you go from the top, and then I'll just give you from the sides with the direct sunlight beaming in. It's killing my eyes, but I'll live. Get one more close up of that hair. I'm gonna get really up on it here. Other way. So the base of this is a super fine Swiss lace, so that's it right there. And as you can see, you can really see that graduated hairline. You can see that scalp. I mean, I don't really think it gets any more realistic than this. Now, granted, it's only a day or two old since I did the maintenance, so it is still a clean, fresh hairline. But yeah, and it just, you know, one thing I'm finding with the lighter density unit is the hair just feels really good. Even when in the shower, it just like glides through really nicely. When I rub my fingers through it, it just feels good. Like, see how I can get more separation in my streaks when I try to do the slick back here? Because there's not like hair upon hair upon hair. I'll see how it goes. You know me, I change my tune a lot, so I don't want to definitively say right now, yes, I'm on the light density bandwagon, because I'm going to give it more time. I'm not going to say that, but I'm saying as of now so far, after giving the light density another try, after trying it a month or two ago, if I can keep up, you know, keeping that hairline clean and fresh, I mean, it just flows. I can rub my fingers through the hair feels so silky and soft. There's that graduated hairline. A lot of you asked, does it have graduated hairline? Again, this is the Air model from Lord Hair. So yeah, right here. So there it is again. But yeah, I'm really digging that hairline. This might be the best hairline I've ever had, guys. It really, just objectively speaking. I wanted to show you these hair systems under the sunlight test. And again, any system can look good in controlled artificial lighting, but I wanted to get right under the sunlight for you and just kind of do that for you guys. So until my next video, guys, take care.